Hey guys! For language arts, this week we're going to be starting writing instead of doing like adjectives and things like that. We're going to be writing. So we're going to talk about the Hamburger Paragraph and we're just going to review what that is. I know you had it in first grade with Mrs. Beacom, so we're just going to kind of go over it. This is what the Hamburger Paragraph looks like. This is how you make a paragraph. Okay, so the first important thing there you can see is the topic sentence. And this is going to be a sentence, anything like, my pet is a cat. Okay, so now we know that our paragraph is going to be about a cat. So that's our topic. Then we're going to have some juicy details. And in the paragraphs that we are going to write, we're going to have 3 juicy details. So the first one might say, her name is Kobe. The second one could be, she has gray fur with black stripes. We can make it juicy, juicy. And then you can say, she sleeps in my bed with me at night. And then for a conclusion sentence, you can say something like, she is the best pet in the world. So we just made a paragraph using the hamburger paragraph formation. So your assignment is going to look like this. If I can get there, there you go. It's going to look like this. So in your packet, you have this worksheet. You're going to fill in your topic sentence. So whatever you want to write about. Then you're going to have 3 juicy details. Got tomato, lettuce, and the burger. And then the bottom bun is the conclusion. So that's what language arts is going to be this week. So go ahead and pick a topic. Pick anything. It could be your favorite pet, your favorite food, something you love about mom or dad. So that is your assignment for this week's language arts.